Hi my friends, today we model this part. You see, it is very unsymmetric. The drawing is this with all dimensions. We start by creating this contour, 164, 30 degrees, 13, 10, and radius 28.5. The length is 227. Start, standard millimeter side PT, new sketch, XY plane, and we draw a circle with a radius 28.5. Then we draw some lines. Start from here, down, left, angle, up. Here, press the left button and go to the vertical. Then back to the circle. Trim this circle. Dimensions 10 is this, 13 this, angle of 30 degrees, radius of 82. This line is not aligned with this. We can move it, as you can see. Good. Coincident this line with the center point. Then dimension from this line to up of 164. Fully constrained sketch. Finish sketch. Extrude to the other direction of 227. Okay. Next is this volume with radius 44 and distance 149. This face, circle with the radius 44, finish sketch, extrude. 227 is the other dimension. We'll use this dimension, but to the other direction, and we subtract minus 149. Okay. Now this extension, dimensions 82, axis at 52 degrees, distance 51, and that's all. Good. We select this face. We use a rectangle in 3 points. 1, 2, 3. We draw a line between the two centers of this rectangle. We place coincident this line with the center point. Then angle of 52 dimension of 82. The other is placed at 51. And we apply tangent between this line and this arc. This line is construction line. Okay, finish. Extrude. We select only this, not all. This, and 2 to 7 must be subtracted from 260. Minus. Okay. Another feature is this cut. We'll use the plane horizontal as you see here, and we create this rectangle. Dimensions 33, 38 and 19. We select that plane, this one, for a new sketch, F7, and we place here a rectangle. This is the rectangle. This right side is aligned with this. Dimensions. This is 33. This distance is 38 and 19. Fully constrained sketch. Finish, extrude with cut the other direction all the way. Okay. Now this channel 114, radius 11, placed at 26 from the bottom. We select this face, we select slot, we draw a horizontal line of 114, then a radius of 11, and we place this point aligned with this line. Coincident this point with this line. Finish. Extrude on 13. This is the selection. We can select also that external, no problem. The other direction and 13. Good. Let's see what is the volume. Properties, physical update. We go to the right and all the digits. Close, drawing, double click, and the new value is just the same. Cancel, we keep this value. Material is still carbon, and the view is not default IBL but default lights. If we compare our part with the original, we see a difference. Oh, but the volume is the same. Yes, because this is only moved around but not at the volume. Let's see what is this. This is this. Oh, this is 52, not 42. My fault. Now we can compare them and we don't see anything. This means that you can have the same volume, but do not be sure that this is okay. You have to compare. This is the best solution. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.